Kip. Episode 49. Snowflake. Well, hi. Back. Snowflakes.
เดี๋ยวต้องใจนะใจนะ
One winter morning, Kip woke up. The air was cold. The wind blew hard outside. Kip shivered. It's so cold. A huge snow flew into his hole. Kip's eyes lit up. It's snowing. Burn and I can play in the snow. He jumped out of bed. He ran to his closet, found a scarf and hat and boots. He found a snow gear. He stepped out of his bed. Once the wind blew, then Kip fell. Ah! Boom! He let a deep snow. Then flew all around. Back down toward her nest. Kip, are you okay? I'm okay. I'm going to play in snow. You can't play outside now. There's a blizzard.